Welcome to our tutorial. Today we're speaking about interfacing the Arduino keypad with the 7-segment display. The system comprises of the Arduino, the 7-segment display, and the 4x3 matrix keypad, which are the main components of our system. It's a simple system. We'll be using Arduino as our microcontroller. From the coding here, you can see the pin connections done as per this diagram. On the coding, we have the segments being connected between pin 7 and 13 of the Arduino. The rows are being connected between pin 0 to pin 3 of the Arduino, as is stipulated here. The rows 1, row 2, row 3, and rows 4. The columns, the 3 columns are being connected between pins 4 and 6 as displayed on the diagram, on the schematic diagram. So our system, when you press any number here, the number that you've just pressed is displayed on the 7-segment display. So let's just run a simulation and see how it behaves. So this program, you can use it in the hardware. So whatever happens here is what you expect to happen when you have a hardware part of it connected in just the same way. So let's see how the system works. So you'll see when I start the system, it initializes, the animation starts. Then I press any number here, the number automatically is displayed on the display. That is number 3, that is number 4. So any number you press here is automatically displayed on our display. So the coding, the code for this, you can get it from the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.